I'm looking at these SPX puts here if it stays low. Setting up now. In it now. SPY's pulling back. SPY getting a nice run off right here to the downside. There we go. Looking good. SPY, I'm up now $200 on SPX contracts to the downside. The whole market's heavy. Waiting to get a big old flush here from SPY. There it goes. Try to take I just took a little bit off the table. Just collected $600 off of those 3 contracts. Have 2 runners. I'm going to set a stop. There we go. I just set my stop and it just sold off. I was going to let it run for the rest of its life at that stop, but I'll take it. That's all my trades right there. Up 1,520 bucks for the day. Done. Got to eat the cookie.
Coach, when it broke VWAP to the upside, you didn't get scared?
No, because of this right here. You see this double top range?
Okay.
Yeah. If it would have broke this, I'd have been out. There's no way I would have held through that. But I wasn't worried at all with this. Okay, here it goes. I'm missing it. Got it. Just one more contract right there. SPX to the downside. There it goes. I'm just going to put in a large stop because this is a small amount. And then I can adjust this once this breaks. So basically what I've done is, because right here is where it can pop, right? You guys already know red to green is the bounce zone, right? So what I did is I protected myself from a super spike off the bounce, but still allowed it enough room so that once it does break through and bleed, then I'll move my stop above what I paid. So watch what I'm doing. So now what I'm going to do is here it comes. I'm going to convert this. Now that is a guaranteed winning trade, right? I had 1960. I just put in a stop at 20. Now I'm protected on the trade and I can let this run forever, right? I've already made my money for the day, so I'm not worried about making more, right? Don't need to be greedy. And now though, now I'm set up for success. Now, if it does bounce right away and I just sold, I collected more money. But what I was trying to show you here is that if it runs the rest of the day, I can leave it alone forever. And that's what I want you guys in. Protect the trade with the stop, which you guys saw. So in the initial beginning, I bought the trade and I had a loose stop to allow it to work, to go in my favor. The trade went green and then I moved my stop above what I paid. Don't I do the same thing with futures? I do the same thing every time, right? I protect my trade.
Yes, sir.
By protecting my trade, it turns into a free trade that then what'll happen is, instead of, making $50 or $100, I can let it run and make thousands. That's what we're after. We love when they run. What do I say every day? Let the runners run, right? So if this would have stayed down here, I was protected on the trade. If it runs my way, great. And guess what? If not, I didn't lose any money. I made money, right? 25K account, $1,550, 4 trades, done for the day. SPY is consolidating. Same thing here. If everybody's like, but this could be the SPY turnaround. Well, it is consolidating. What's the overall trend? Downside. We're being very careful here. Now, this is support. Can anybody tell me now why this is support? Couple reasons. Go ahead.
Green to red.
Yeah, red to green. You got double bottoms.
Exactly. So right here, it's over here. Double bottom. Number 2, green to red. That's close of day yesterday, right? Number 3, we're consolidating. Do you see how we get to add up all these things? It's beautiful. So pay attention. Now, what's the overall trend? Downside. That's right. So should you be playing with going to the upside?
Nope.
Not at all. That's right. I can make $40 from here to here. Yeah, but you can lose $6,000 right here, right? And when in doubt, what do we do?
Straddle.
Straddle.
Straddle it out. That's right. Because I want you guys to think about this. So if I did a straddle right here, and down here is my stop one way, and right here is my stop the other way, this is my no-fly zone, meaning I'm just going to make no money right here. But as soon as it gives me this level of indication, right, one way or the other, now this one is tight because VWAP is here, right? And then you got the 200. So it's really hard to get up. But right here to the downside, right, unlimited. And now what you're going to do, right, because we can see this, we want to make sure we're set up for success before we click that buy button. You want to go back in time to you had previous data, which is going to be exactly right here. You can see 592 is the next major level of support. Everybody see it, right? And there goes SPY tanking out.